Last year, we joined the European Heritage Days at the Monastery of La Oliva in Carcastillo, Navarre. That event focused on the restoration of the medicinal garden and the pharmacy. This year, another event will take place at a different Cistercian monastery, that of San Pedro de Cardeña in Burgos. Lucía Córdoba, a young architect, will present her paper based on her research for her master's degree, titled, "Is it possible to restore Cistercian monasteries without losing their original identity?" She answers this question through both academic research and a journey through various monasteries, which included volunteering programs. This event is part of the activities that Patrimonio para Jóvenes has been organizing in monasteries since 2023. These activities are meant to give young people first-hand insight into the difficulties of managing these properties. Participants learn about sustainability, efficiency, modernization, and accessibility-focused renovations, all of which should respect the heritage, artistic features, and historical remains. We should consider as well the intangible heritage. The conservation of monasteries means preserving liturgy, vestments, literature, music, and a way of life. Through this event, everyone is invited to reflect, take responsibility, and play an active role in the conservation of this heritage at risk. Let us reinvent the way we view, participate in, and act within these environments. The event will take place on September the 5th at San Pedro de Cardeña in Burgos.